Panda, where are we?
We're in the rainforest of St. Lucia.
I want you guys to wave at him.
Where are we? On the right, right there. On the right. On the right. On the right.
There's more people.
Yeah. The 7th, the lady of Amanda.
Shame's coming up. Good job, Sandy. All right.
Drink more beer.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. Hey, yeah, I'll push you on. Come on. What do you think you want to be when you in school?
An interior designer.
That sounds nice. Alright. Back across them up and smile, okay? Come on, I clip something.
She's done this one. Go ahead.
Yeah, this is very normal. Okay?
I had that kind of face, I think.
Alright. Alright. Hey Mary, it's your turn. Yeah. Okay, and last but not least, bro.
The only one left?
Jeffrey's will be a phone number.
Okay, I can't. I don't even. Where are they? God, Dave, I can't even see you.
We did. Well, you're not at the bottom of the hill. Don't get braggy. Don't get braggy till we're on board the ship.
St. Lucia's forests are known as oceanic rainforests because they were formed in isolation from the continent. The rainforest skyride will take you to the edge of the magnificent La Sorcia mountain. This forest reserve is home to ancient trees, rivers, and wildlife. Over 26 million years ago, St. Lucia rose from the ocean as a bubbling volcano. In the south, you can still see an active volcano venting gases, which suggests that the island is still growing. The St. Lucian volcanoes are part of a chain of volcanoes that make up the Caribbean islands.
So Pandy, what do you think? What was the adventure like? Was it cool?
It
You're
was
happy?
cool.